In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your Shopify store is live. This is an essential step for any store owner looking to ensure their website is accessible to customers. We'll walk through the straightforward process of determining this using your Shopify admin dashboard. So let's dive into it and make sure your store is ready to welcome visitors. First, we'll start by navigating to your Shopify admin page. If you're logged into Shopify, you'll want to head over to the section labeled My Store. This is where you manage your overall store settings and where you can access specific areas to update and ensure everything is functioning correctly. When you're there, take a moment to glance over the layout and familiarize yourself with where different elements are located. Next up, locate and click on Online Store on your dashboard's left side menu. This is your control center for all things related to your store's public-facing site. It allows you to manage themes, organize pages, and importantly for today's task, check whether your store is live or not. Once you've clicked on Online Store, there will be an option called Preferences. Click on it. The Preferences section holds more detailed settings that affect how your store behaves online. Here is where we'll make the crucial checks to ensure visibility. Now, in the Preferences menu, search for a section labeled Password Protection. This feature is crucial because if it's enabled, your store might not be accessible to everyone. The Password Protection feature allows you to put up a barrier if your site is still under development or if you're doing some private testing. However, to make your store live for the public, you'll need to look at the status of this feature. If you've already chosen and activated a plan, and you're ready to go live, you need to make sure this password protection is unchecked. This is the key step to opening your store gates to all potential visitors. Simply unchecking this option will help you go live, making your store accessible to anyone who visits. And just like that, with a few easy clicks, you've confirmed whether your Shopify store is live or not. It's pretty straightforward, but it's essential to check if you're starting up or during any major site updates. Always recheck this setting anytime you make significant changes to your site or if you're planning a big launch, just to ensure things are as they should be. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Shopify store ready and confirmed live to the public. If you have any questions or run into any issues, remember that Shopify's Help Center is a great resource for troubleshooting and further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I wish your store all the success.